As we step into section 9.2, they just want us to get familiar with the polar equations and their graphs. I'm going to cut the homework down a lot. Hopefully you've seen that already, that I made that clear, that the homework from 9.2 is going to just be 13 to 35 odd. So 13 to 35 only. So I thought we'd start out by looking at a couple examples from early on. The goal here in the ask here in numbers 16 and also number 18, I thought we could look at both within the same video, is to identify these guys in their rectangular form and then use that to graph the equation. So transform it from polar to rectangular and then use that. So the book gives you pretty similar examples, but I thought it'd be good to walk through some on our own. Our goal is to get y's and x's involved, and so when you have something as simple as 16, which is shown there on the screen, the nice thing to do is do tangent of both sides. This is the algebraic way to go through it. There's also an understanding part as well. Tangent theta we know is y's over x's, and we know that tangent of negative pi over 4 is negative 1. So what's left to do? Well, simply just solve for solve for y. And what do we get? We get y is equal to negative x. And so we get this line right here. Notice that we might have been able to get that just from the beginning, because what we're learning is that we're on the negative pi over 4 line, and we can be anywhere on it, and so we get that entire line. Number 18 is similar, so let me scan down here and we'll look at 18. As we look at number 18, it says r cosine theta is equal to 4. Now they're wanting these to be basic, and so we're remembering from our earlier section that x is r cosine theta. So because of this, this is simply the line x equals 4. So how do we do it? We just draw our 1, 2, 3, 4 in the x direction, and it's this straight line up and down. That's how to do some of these ones from the first blocks of problems.